A Reddit post that went viral exposed the extent to which Samsung's cameras use image processing to enhance the quality of photos of the moon, making it difficult to differentiate between real and manipulated images in the age of AI. While Samsung's Space Zoom feature has been popular for capturing detailed images of the moon, the recent post suggests that the company's pictures of the moon are not genuine due to the extent of computational processing involved. However, the definition of fake in this context is not straightforward and will become more complex as computational techniques continue to be integrated into photography. As a result, our understanding of what constitutes fake imagery will evolve, as it has done in the past with the emergence of digital cameras, Photoshop, and other photo editing tools. For now, the focus remains on Samsung's photos of the moon and the use of computational processing. A Reddit user named UIBreakPhotos conducted a clever test of Samsung's phone cameras, which involved intentionally blurring a photo of the moon and then capturing it using a Samsung S23 Ultra. The resulting image was remarkably crisp and detailed, indicating that the camera had added details that were not present in the original photo. This is not the first time Samsung's moon photography has been scrutinized, as some have accused the company of using pre-stored textures or other manipulative techniques. Samsung has denied these claims, stating that they use AI to enhance the details of the moon by reducing blurs and noise. However, the company's explanation of the process has been vague and unclear, leaving many questions unanswered. In essence, Samsung uses a detail improvement engine function to enhance the details of the moon and produce a bright and clear picture, but the specifics of this process remain elusive. In the Reddit post, the author mentions that Samsung's process for creating detailed photos of the moon involves using an AI-based detail improvement engine function. While upscaling blurry details using AI is a common technique, Samsung's process appears to be more intrusive, actually creating new details in the final image. This leads the author to question whether the resulting images can be considered fake or not. The Reddit post acknowledges that the concept of fakeness is not a binary but rather a spectrum. However, the author suggests that Samsung's photos of the moon may be closer to generated images than actual photos since they seem to be the result of a computational process rather than optical data. As technology continues to advance, the line between optically captured and software-generated data is likely to become increasingly blurred, making it more difficult to determine what constitutes a fake image. Samsung claims that no image overlaying or texture effects are added while taking a photo. However, their moon imagery stands out because it is a convenient application for computational photography. Moon photography is visually appealing and has detail without depth, making it easy to add AI enhancements. Additionally, it is an easy way for Samsung to showcase the photographic capabilities of their phones since everyone can test the feature. However, this has led to confusion as people mistake the AI-improved images for optical zoom. While Samsung does not claim that their moonshots represent all their zoom photography, consumers may still be misled. As photography evolves, our understanding of what constitutes a real photo will also change. At present, Samsung's moon photographs are more fake than real, and the company has not responded to requests for comment. If users want to take an unadulterated photo of the moon, they should turn off the Scene Optimizer feature to avoid a blurry image. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.